ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अहिवन्
इवन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
ओङ्
एवं
ऐ औच्
औच
हयवरट्
रट्
लण्
लन्
न्यामङणम्
न्यमणनम्
झभै
झभे
घढदश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपछठथ चटतौ
खपछठथौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अक्कुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् उष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
गानानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्टम्
उदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्ते सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
भो राम मामुद्धर
Guruji,
yes
before we start, I have two doubts. I just want them to get clarified with you. This is about the Sutra number 14 and 15. Both of them appear to be the same as ya dropped and then what's the second point? Yeah, replaced by ya and ya dropped. Whereas in 14, because it is akara plus ru plus ach, ya is dropped optionally.
tell me the number
Whereas in
One minute.
Sutra number 14 and Sutra number 15.
14 and 15 okay
Yeah.
what you see the screen now
Yeah, in 14, it is both are pretty much the same. Whereas in 14, because it is followed by ach, the dropping of ya is optional. Whereas in 15, because it is followed by ash, because hash is there, the dropping of yakara is mandatory. Is that the only difference between the two?
no that is not what I said. See the 14th okay 14th one what you see in the screen that's one I think right Visarga preceded by a followed by ach
Yeah.
and the 15th one Visarga preceded by a and followed by ash. In the ash also in the ash also included.
Yep. Okay.
Then why you say that if it is consonant it is dropped? Must have you because ach is common in both.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But in the 14th, it is except hrasva a, whereas in 15th, it includes the hrasva a also, isn't it?
Hrasva also includes, yes. But you asked how when the consonant follows, it is mandatory drop, you said.
Yeah, that's what I have written down here. That's what I wanted to ask.
That I said separately, not by this. That is, in the 14th one, if you see, the condition is preceded by a and followed by ach other than a. It means any vowel other than rasvakara. If rasvakara comes, then ru will be replaced by u.
Yep.
Right. So if it is rasvakara, ukara will come. Anything other than rasvakara, then yakara will come. This yakara now it is preceded by a and followed by ach. Ach letter, any vowel other than akara. That yakara becomes lopaha optional. So here you can see ach follows, ach excepting a. Similarly, here preceded by a and followed by ash. When I say the ash includes ach as well as hash. That is vowel component is there and soft consonants are there. Vowels and soft consonants. So therefore here any vowel and any soft consonant follows, but preceded by
Okay.
a. In that
Okay.
case, what happens? Yakara is there, preceded by a and followed by ach. Yakara drops optionally. When it is followed by hush, soft consonant, then it is mandatorily dropped. That is,
Okay.
understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
that I have not added here, but I said maybe you can add one more like that here. Yes, because you asked, let me add that. That is applicable only for 15. So,
50. Yeah.
okay, let me do this here. So I will put it as a C.
Okay.
C is when this okay, this one minute. Let me write like this. When yakara is yeah, is followed by the
Hush.
yakara adesha. Right, like yakara adesha, which has come by the above rule, right?
Mm-hmm.
The yakara adesha which has come in the place of room, the yakara which has come in the place of room by the above rule will drop. Sorry. Will drop mandatorily when followed by hush. It will be meaningful. Hush, soft consonant, not ach.
Mandatory. Yeah. Okay.
Will drop. Yakara adesha, which has come in the place of room by the above rule, will drop mandatorily when followed by hush. That is Kali Sarvesham. That's a sutra. That's not required for you now. Just for my reference, I'm writing Kali Sarvesham. It is 8323. Is it clear now?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So, see here, I'm not told one point, but it's not a dosha because those things the context comes, I will say. Anyway, doesn't matter. That is this yakara when the context is no, that's why it said like this. And okay, let me ask like this. Now you see, all of you, please listen. Now visarga replaced by yakara. This yakara, generally we know this visarga has come in the place of
Padanta Sakara.
very good. So padanta is there or not? The condition?
Yep, it is.
Yes.
It is all the way it is there. So now what yakara is that?
Padanta.
Padanta Yakara.
That I need not tell because you know it.
Yes.
So therefore that is condition also. It is everything, you know, in the beginning if I say some condition, then you may feel threatened. Oh, so many conditions are there. How do I know? That's why certain things, at least I don't tell. So that slowly when you understand, then I can give new information slowly. Okay. So
Okay.
you know it very well. Padanta Sakara has become room. That only becomes Repa, right? So that is Ru alone is replaced by yakara. Therefore, it must be padanta yakara. It's logical, right? That yakara or vakara, whatever it may be. Here vakara will not come. I'm just saying that's a rule. The rule says like that. Yakara or vakara at the end of the padam followed by ash letter, then that becomes lopaha. Is it something a new rule you are learning?
No, Ji.
Not really.
No.
Where you learned this?
Exception to
Ayavaya.
Ayavaya.
Very good.
Ayavaya exception.
In Ayadi Sandhi as a special optional rule.
Yeah, that's where we learn.
Once upon a time we learned. Ekada ekasmin kale asmabihi purvam patitam eva. When we don't know, once upon a time, maybe 65th class, at that time we learned.
Guruji, we are trying, Guruji.
Okay. In the Gurukulam also, I tell the students, but they forget once upon a time when we are in the last era of when the last week is the last era. Okay. The last week is the last era because we don't remember. So last week, in the era of the last week, we learned this. Because 7 days have gone, we would have forgotten. I will keep reminding. So we have learned this special optional rule. You please check that. Here itself you check where you have to go there. Here itself you see in Achsandhi. That rule I sorry, are not included here. That rule is the special optional rule.
Yep.
Those who don't
You've got
remember,
it.
I'll open that file and show you. There we have seen this. Therefore, this is not something new. Here, what we are saying is, okay, can anyone see why I'm saying what is the connection between these two yakara? Yakara, why there and why here? Two different things, yakara. Yakara, which has come because of two different things. What are those two different things?
Here it has come from a visarga.
Okay, there. Here
Here
visarga,
it come-
it's okay.
Here it's Padanta Yakara.
Both are padanta,
Padan-
right?
Their padanta yeng. Ye-
Padanta, very good. That padanta, H letter,
yeng. H letter, yes.
not yang.
Yeah,
H
sure.
letter, H letter when followed by H letter. Remember Ayadi Sandhi?
Hmm.
H will be replaced by, A letter will be replaced by I, O by O, then I by I, O by Av. Now that yakara vakara, if it is at the end of the padam and preceded by anyway akara or akara avarna letter, followed by ash letter, that yakara will go optionally. We have seen, remember?
Yep.
There yakara has come because of ayadi sandhi. Here yakara has come in the place of ru. That is the difference. But both are yakara, right? Any yakara, doesn't matter.
Mm.
Any yakara happens to be at the end of the padam and preceded by avarna. Avarna means akara or akara, followed by ash letter. That yakara lopa happens optionally. Followed by ash letter, I'm saying. Ash letter means ach and hash. Within ash letter, if it is a ach, it is optional. If it is a hash, it is mandatory. This is how you have to understand. Right? Clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Now you can see that special optional rule. Yakara, vakara at the end of the padam preceded by a or a. Right? That is when that will happen because of ayadi sandhi. That is within bracket I have written. That is I, or a. When followed by ash letter will disappear optionally. Special optional lopa sandhi. 8390 number also I have written. The same number only you will see here also in this table. If you check the table here, the same number. So that is why it's called sutram. One place you write the sutra and it is
Yes,
applicable in many contexts. Alpaksharam asandigdam vishwatomukam we say, right? Here you
Yep.
can see this is the one 8319, the same number. So The rule is applicable. If wherever this condition is there, this you apply. Yakara lopa will happen. That's the connection. You have to see the connection. That's why Sanskritam makes your brain very sharp, very alert. You have to see the connection. It's like the sutrams are like the puzzle. Keeps you very alert. Anyway, sutram we are not seeing, we're just seeing the rules, but you should be able to see the connection. Seeing the connection means you remember things, what have been taught, right? Okay. Your doubt is clear.
Yep, just one more. In Sutra number 18, the preceding an becomes dirghaha. That is the small an. You said a, e, u only.
But which one? Yeah, yes. Small
The
and
small an.
yes.
A, e, and u only.
Exact. Yes, small and only.
Okay, thank
And
you.
it's a smaller one. So a becomes a, e becomes e, o becomes o. Smaller and always.
Yep. Thank
Longer and is used only once. That we will not see. In the Sandhi rules, we will not see. That we will see only when we see the Sutra, Ashtadhyaya. That is different. Long way to go. Okay, don't worry about it. So, an means you can take for granted short term. Okay. Yes. We'll continue. Now you will do it. If you have difficulty, let me know. The Sandhi is very important. Have thorough understanding of Sandhi. The Visarga, as I said, it is one of the bridge we have to cross. Once you have a strong grip on Visarga, then almost the job is done. After that, it is easy. Any text is, when some more Sandhis are there, it to come. That will come over a period of time. But here, this is important. You have to understand the concept. You have to understand this. Once you understand, then it becomes easy. Okay, now let us do this. Each one of you can take two sentences and do this. Lata Sundaramji, you can do.
Yeah, kaha plus chit. Visarga preceded by a and followed by.
Remember, when you see,
Okay,
how you see is important. Don't see the preceding letter, not required. Why?
No, because it is cha varga. Cha is there.
Kavarga, kar letter is there.
Yeah, kar letter is there. So
That's
it
important.
should be, first it becomes sakara.
Yes.
And then it will become shakara. Kaschit.
Yes. Kas plus chit. First Visarga replaced by Sakara. Then Sakara replaced by
Shakara.
what Sandhi is that?
Chitva Sandhi.
Chutva Sandhi. Kaschit. So Kaschit, you know.
Yeah.
Kaschit is Kaha plus Chit. Kaha what vibhakti? What is the Pratipadikam?
Kaha kauke.
Kim Pratipadikam. Pullingaha Chit. Chit is what? Not Sachit Ananda. Okay. Chit is it's a Avyaya.
Avyayam.
Okay. That also I think I taught you. Chit.
Chit is an avyaya.
Avyaya. Chit, Archana, whatever. It's an Avyaya. Kaschit means someone. Kaschana, both are same. Kaschit,
But
Purushaha.
it can be declinable, right?
No. It's not declinable. It's a good question. Kaha plus chit, kaschit. Kaha kauke. The next one is kau. Kau plus chit. Kauchit.
Kauchit, yeah.
Some two people. K plus chit, ke chit. This chit can be added to any of the vibhakti of Kim Shabda. All the linga also.
Yeah.
What is Dvitiya vibhakti? Kam. Kam plus chit. Kanchit. Kam kau. Kan. Suppose if you take kan. Kan plus chit. Kanchit. Kena plus chit. Kena chit. Kabhyam plus chit. Kabhyans chit. Possible. All the vibhakti chit pratyaya can be added. It is avyaya only. Okay. Similarly, if you take Srilinga, ka plus chit ka chit, ke ka ke kaha, ke plus chit ke chit, ka plus chit kas chit. Similarly, kim plus kim ke kani, kim plus chit kim chit. Then kani plus chit, kani chit, apumsakalinga. When you are referring to, all they are abhyaya only. The
Okay.
chit chana pratyaya can be added to any of the declension of kim shabda in any gender. The resultant would be abhyaya, not declinable.
Okay.
The next one.
Tapaha plus chinoti. Here also it becomes tapas, chinot plus chinoti, then tapas
Tapaschinoti.
chinoti.
Next person, Jyoti ji.
Namaha plus te. So visarga becomes ru becomes sakara, namaste.
Good.
And taroho plus chaya. So visarga becomes sa followed by chu varga. So tarot chaya.
Taroj. Then
Tarot chaya. Tarosh becomes taroch.
Taroj. Chakara replaced by Chakara.
Shakara replaced by chakara.
Sorry. Taroj Chaya. Right?
Yes, and then tarot chaya.
Then
Doesn't it become replaced by chakara? Tarot chaya.
by what Sandhi?
Shakara is in contact with cha.
Shakara in contact with Chakara. No problem. Nothing happen. What will happen?
Acha.
Right?
Yes, Guruji.
Nothing happens.
Rosh.
Chatva Sandhi is that we will see later.
Okay.
There is one Chatva Sandhi. There it is something happens. That we'll see that later. We not discuss it here. We'll see that later. Okay.
Okay.
The next person, Girijaji.
Lokaha samastaha. Even here, the visarga is followed by a share letter. So visarga is replaced by sakara. Replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. So it can be read as loka samastaha or loka samastaha.
Yes. It can remain as it is also. The same,
Yep.
yeah. Same form. Lokaha samastaha iti.
Yep.
Next one.
Harihi shete. Here it is followed by kar letter. So visarga replaced by sakara. And shete also there is no replacement. Replacement of by sakara is optional. So it could be harihi shete.
Yes. Harishyete or
Yeah.
Harihi.
Shete.
When it is this optional, Harihishyete and followed by share letter.
Share letter.
Within kar, if share letter is there, then that replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. So therefore you have two forms.
Yep.
If you replace it by hari sakara, then you have to replace it by shakara. That is a must. Next person, Surendraji.
Santoshaha tada. Visarga followed by kar letter.
Good.
So Visarga becomes sakara. Then
Okay.
there is nothing further will happen, only a malanan. Santosha tada.
Okay. Or nothing happens. Okay, sorry, not there's no or. Okay. Yes. Next one.
Balaha sobade. Again Visarga followed by shar letter.
Yes.
So sakara will become optional.
Yes.
Bala sobade or balaha sobade.
Yes. So balaha, because it's a kar letter, so it can be balaha shobhate also. And this is what you will see mainly in the text. Okay. Next person, Kausalyaji.
Excuse me, Guruji.
Hmm.
In the above santoshaha plus tatha, you said that tu in contact with sha or tu, ta will be replaced by tu. Santush tha.
Again, repeat the question. Visarga in contact with? Visarga is replaced by sakara.
Tu in contact with sha or tu.
Yes.
will be replaced by 2.
Yes, right. Here it
Does
is
that
doesn't have
apply
contact.
here?
Where is contact? Where is the contact here? Shakara is here. Shakara plus A is there. Then Sakara is there. Then Sakara plus Ta is there. Takara plus. Where is the contact? There is no contact.
No, I wrote it down as Sha, so I didn't look at this Hraswa, I mean Hal and Ach thing.
You have to see that Akara. Don't miss the Sakara.
Yeah, yeah, I missed that. Sorry. Thank you.
Consonant is there. Okay, there is no pure consonant. Shakara plus A is there.
Yeah, okay.
Next person. Kausalya.
Tat plus Chintyam. Takara will be replaced by Chavarga. Tat Chintyam.
Yes.
Is it
Tat Takara is replaced by Chakara. Tat Chintyam.
Tat Chintyam? Then Shuraha.
This is
plus Cha.
okay now. This what you are doing now. Tat is a padam or not?
Yes.
How do you know it's a padam? Because tat tetani, right? Napumsakalinga tat is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam padam. So you are joining this tat plus chintyam by applying the rule what you know. But there are rules before that also that apply. That is going to come later. That time the same tat plus chinyam, we will modify it, not directly like that. Tad will become tad, then tad will become taj, then taj will become again this jakara will be replaced by chakara. Then that's how it happens. We'll see that. But now it is okay. What you said is fine. They are going to learn some more rules. It's going to come, that you'll see. So therefore, don't see that it's a contradiction, not a contradiction. Here, the rules what we have learned, applying that rule we are doing. But when we after learning some more rules in between, then you have to apply those rules in order. There we'll have few more steps. But the rupam will be same. The form will be same. But you have to apply all the rules to get the form. Otherwise, we'll get undesired form. Okay, we'll see that later. Just telling you. Okay, continue. Next one.
Shuraha plus Cha. Shuras. Visarga will be replaced by Sakara because it followed with Khar letter. Shuras plus Cha. Shuras Cha.
Shutta Sandhi. Yes. Next person. Manjulaji.
Yeah, Sat plus Charitram. Shutva Sandhi, Sat Charitram.
Yes, simple. Sat Charitram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rakshet plus Chatuhu. Rakshet Chatuhu.
Rakshet Chatuhu, right?
Yeah, Ji.
Chutta Sandhi again here.
Shutva Sandhi. Yeah.
Next person. Rajaji.
Yeah, Shara plus Chata. So here also Shutva Sandhi. Takara will be replaced by respective Chakara. So this will be Sharas Chata.
Sharat Chata.
Sharat Chata.
Chatta.
Chata.
Cha Mahaprana. Tha. It's Alpa Prana, but Dirga and they both are hard consonant. Sharat Chata.
Yeah.
Next one.
Yeah, Anubhya plus Cha. So this is again Visarga followed by Kar letter. Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. And then the Chutva Sandhi will happen. Sakara will be replaced by Talavya Shakara.
Yes.
So Anubhyascha.
Anubhyascha. Next person, Anuradhaji.
Tad plus Chavihi will be Tat Chavihi.
So the Dakara will be replaced by
Shakara.
Jakara.
Chakara, Sharanji.
Why Chakara? You're applying the other rule, which you know, probably.
Yeah.
That is why. That's why you're saying. Because you came from that class, that's why you know it. Karicha you're applying. When Kar letter follows, that have not been taught, right?
Okay.
Have you taught this? I think I'm not taught. When Kar letter
No,
follows.
Guruji.
No,
Not,
Ji.
Yes, by all
so,
the Chavarga letters.
So Taj plus chavihi. As of now, this is correct. But here we cannot stop. It has something will happen. That is the next rule. Following rules are there. We'll see that. But what you know is Taj plus chavihi only. Okay. Next one.
Mahabdya Mahabdyah plus cha. The Visarga will become Sakara, so it will become Mahadhyascha.
Yes. Next person. Lata Sundaram.
Yeah. Ut plus Jwalanam. It will become Ujjwalanam. Ta will become Da, then
Ta
Ujjwalanam.
will not become. Oh, you're applying? Oh,
Yeah.
just a Sandhi.
Yeah,
I
just
have not
as
taught that. Okay, not taught. Okay. We
yeah.
are going to see that also.
But if then it should be Ujjwalanam.
Just Uch plus Jwalanam. Right. One more rule is comes, but that's what we are going to see that. So with this, what we know, Ut plus Jwalanam, Uch Jwalanam. Final form it is anyway, it is going to be Uch Jwalanam only. So this is the final form. Uch Jwalanam. Next one.
Then Vidwan plus Na.
Hmm.
Melanam, Vidwan Na.
Nothing happens. Vidwan na. Vidwan na. Next person. Jyotiji.
Ishad plus Jwalanam. Ishad Jwalanam. The kara is replaced by the corresponding Chu Varga. So Ja.
Yes. Ishat Jwalanam. Next one.
Tat Shrutva. So it is Tat Shrutva.
Chakara.
Chakara Shrutva.
Shruta.
Tat Shrutva.
Yes. This is what I said. Tat Chutva will happen. That we will see. It's called Chattva Sandhi. We are going to see that also later. We are not seen. Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Tat Jan
Janatkar.
Janatkaraha. Tat Janatkaraha.
Yes.
I have no idea, Guruji, Ja, how it incorporates. This is Jabhai comes under.
Don't worry, nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
It's all testing now. You apply whatever
Okay.
you know, but something will happen, but you don't know that. We'll see that later. Now, applying whatever you know, nothing happens here. That plus Janatkaraha, that plus Janatkaraha only.
Okay.
But something will happen, that we will see later.
Okay.
Next one.
The next one, Tat Shrunoti.
1 minute.
This is just like Tat
One minute.
Shrutva.
1 minute, yeah. Yes.
Takara in contact with Chavarga letter, no, Guruji?
Yeah, will be
Shrutva Sandhi.
followed
Yeah,
by
that's what
Taj, no? Taj Jankara.
Takara won't it be replaced by
Chakara.
Chakara?
Oh, yes, sorry. Janatkara is the,
Yes, sir.
yes. This will happen. Chakara will happen. Yes, sorry. That Janatkaraha. Here also, there's some rules will apply in between, and after that, it becomes. Actually, it will not happen like that. That's why I left it as it is. Something else will happen. Okay. So let me write as it was here, because I have to teach you some more rules. Then only this can be understood. Tat will become tad, then tad will become dakara, then jakara. In fact, it becomes tad janatkaraha, not tat janatkara. That is also wrong. This we have not seen. Okay, skip this also. So anyway, so with what you know, you apply, you get touch. That's correct. You can take like that. It is correct. The form would be, the form is touch janatkara. This touch will not come. This will create misunderstanding. That is why this is not the right example here. So leave this out. This you can do it later. The next one you can do.
Tat Shrunoti. This is like Tat Shrutva. It becomes Tat Touch Shruno.
Yes, touch Shrunoti.
Shrunoti.
Okay. So there are many rules, many examples in this which you are not seen for the rules of that. You'll see that. Then after that, I think we can come back and do it so that we'll get the full form. Right?
Yes, Guruji.
So this abhyasa, I should cut and paste after the rules what we are going to see. So we will come back and do this later. So I have to, please remind me later. I will cut and copy paste later. So let me introduce other rules now. Then we will come back and do this abhyasa. Right? Okay. So this is many examples are there. Now let me explain some rules. Let me explain with this chart. The chart itself, examples are there. We'll see one by one. Now we are going to see some new rules. So assuming that all the rules what we have seen so far is clearly understood. Now the new rules. Now, what is this pratyahara jal? What are the contents of this jal pratyahara? Jal means
They are fourth, third,
Jaba.
first and second. And
Jabhagada.
Sibilants.
so
Jabhagada.
4, 3, 2, 1, and all this and
And
all the
sibilants.
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 Padanta
And-
jal means the jal letter at the end of the padam.
Padam.
Right? What is padam? Padam is suptingantam padam. The padam is that which has got the supratyaya or a ting pratyaya.
Ting pratyaya.
Supratyaya means all the shabdas, whatever you decline, right? Sagataute, example, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, all these are padam. So padanta jal. The condition is the jal letter should be at the end of the padam, not any padanta jal and all. Then the padanta jal will be replaced by jash letter. What is jash letter?
Jabagada and Kapai. Kappa
Don't go there. No. Jabagadash, stop there.
Jabhagada.
Okay. Yeah,
Only
Jabagada.
third letter of all the classes, that is jash. You have to remember Magesha Sutra, all the pratyaharas, important pratyahara. So now you have to remember
Yep.
whatever pratyaharas we applied for the previous sutra, in addition to that, jal and jash you need to remember. Jash is third letter of all the classes. Now, padanta jal will be replaced by jash. This is a rule. This rule is called jashtva vidhi. This rule is called jashtva vidhi. Right? So, jashtva vidhi is, you can see 8 to 39, it is there. Right? 8 to 39. Chutta vidhi and all comes later. Chutta vidhi, we know, Chutta sandhi, Shtuta sandhi, you can see 8 4 40. 8 4 40 greater or 8 3 8 to 20 greater. 8 4 40. The 8 4 40 comes later, right?
Yep.
After 8 2 you have to apply the rules in order. So Jashta sandhi 8 to 39, that is applied first. Then only 8 4 40. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Apply that in the example. Now what we saw. One of you were reading this. Here, in this example,
Janatkaraha.
Janatkaraha, another place also. Many places are there. Let me do it from the beginning. Taha, tapaha, namaste, arishyete. Yeah, tachit chintyam, you take this. What is tat? Who did tat chintyam?
I did.
Yes. What is tat now? It
Padam.
is padam. What is the last letter of the padam?
Takara.
Is it a jal or not? It's a jal letter, right?
Yes.
Jal letter. Therefore, padanta jal will be replaced by the rule. What
Jash.
is will be jash letter. What is the jash letter?
Jabagada.
The dakara is the letter. So Jakara will replace. Takara will be replaced by Dakara, applying this Jashta Sandhi. Right? This is what Jashta Sandhi does. Don't apply Shtutta Sandhi because it comes later, 8-4. Jashta Sandhi is 8-2. That has to be applied first. Therefore, Padanta Jal replaced by the Jash letter. Jash letters are Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da. Among this, Takara, which is the Jal letter, one has to replace. Which one will replace? Which is the right option? Swayamvara. One chair is there, 5 people have come. You can offer only to one person. To whom will you offer? Simple logic. Takara is Dantya letter, right? Now you have to see. Ja is valid. Ba is Oshtav. Ga is, Dakara is Kantya. Dakara is Murdanya. Dakara is Dantya. So here Jallatra also Dantya, right? Dakara. And Dakara also Dantya. So which is the right choice? Dakara is the right choice. Replace it. Understand? All of you.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now you applied Jashta Sandhi, then you can do other Sandhi. Then apply Shutta Sandhi. Dakara will be replaced by contact with Chavarga letter. What will happen? Simple thing.
Sutvam.
Jakara.
Jakara will come. Jakara will come. Taj plus Chintyam. The answer is what? Taj Chintyam. That is the correct one. Therefore, this is not final. You cannot stop here. Something will happen. We'll come back. We'll come back and fill it up. Right? Now come back to the rule. So now you have learned this rule. Padanta Jal will be replaced by Jash. Right? Remember this. After that, Shutta Sandhi, other Sandhi rules are there. That's okay. You apply. Now, X Sandhi rules we have seen. Shutta Sandhi, Shtutta Sandhi. Then the next rule, which is in order, you can see. You can see the right side column. 84, 40, what 41, 43. The exception is 44. Okay, that is exception. That is why we have written. Barring the exceptions, you see the numbers. It comes in order. 8 to 39, 8 to 40, 8 to 41. Then, sorry, 8 for 41. Then 8 for 43, etc. Then 8 for 45 now. 23rd rule that we will see. 23rd rule we will see. What does it say? Padanta Yar. This is another new rule. What are Yar letters?
Yavara. Yava.
Really? Only 4 letters. Mageshwara Sutra is a problem. I have to must straighten that.
Neha Vihaya
Almost all the
Sarvani
letters, Guruji.
Vyanjani.
All, yes.
Except
Akaram Vigaya.
Sarvani
Sarve
Vyanjana.
Sarvani Vyanjanani. Samavishyante Yar Pratyaharena. All the Pratyahara, all the letters, all the consonants are included except the letter, except the semivowel Yakara. Haya Varat, right? That Ha, leave it out. Ya Varat, you take it. But Ha is also included. Why? In Shashasar, Hal, oh sorry, that Hal and the Hal, Hakara not there. Except Hakara. Yes, that's what I said. Except the sibilant. I said by mistake. Except the sibilant Hakara, all the letters are included. Okay. Haya Varat is there. Ha is excluded. And the last Pratyahara is Hal. There also Hakara is included because Shashasar up to that only. So except Hakara, the sibilant, all the letters are included. All the semivowels, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, semivowel Yakara is there. Don't exclude that. So when you say Repa here, Repa is the ith letter. Okay.
yes.
Anjuraji,
Yes,
it is the
yeah,
ith letter.
yes.
Not in between, you cannot say Haya Varat, Ra is, no, that is, with that you cannot form a Pratyahara.
Yes, yes. Sri.
Pratyagara can be formed only with the it letters given. Yar means it should start with yakara, ha, ya, and ya, va, ra, la, everything is there, and repa comes, sha, sar, 13th sutra, repa. And after that, hal comes. Hal is in the beginning also was there, later also was there. That is excluded. So except the sibilant hakara, the soft aspirate sibilant, all the vyanjanas are included. So akara vigaya sarve vyanjanani smavishyante yad pratyaharena. So this yar letter, now where is it? It is at the end of the padam. Followed by anunasika. What is anunasika? Not anuswara. Okay, don't confuse with anuswara.
Nasal
Anunasika.
letter.
What are the nasal letters?
Fifth group, Guruji.
Fifth letter of all the classes. Yes. Nyama, nga, na, nam, nasika, cha, right? Nasika. Anunasika. Anu is important. Why anu? They are not only nasika, but the main place of pronunciation. If you take Kavarga letter, fifth letter, it is Kantya plus Nasika. Therefore, Anu Nasika, along with the nasal. Right? If you take the Pavarga letter Makara, Makara is Osh Tau plus Nasika, Anunasika. So, yar letter at the end of the Padam, followed by Anunasika, then the yar letter will be replaced by Anunasika. It's Anunasika. Whatever it's Anunasika, optionally, it will be replaced by Anunasika letter, optionally. Right? Now, let me give an example. This year letter, maybe the example it is, here itself it is there. You have to find out example from this. Actually, this abhyasa to be done after doing all this thing. Anyway, is the example is here itself. I'll show you. You take this example. Bibrat plus na. What happens here? What is Bibrat? Assume that it is a padam. Okay, Bibrat. What is Takara? Takara is?
Year letter.
Dash letter. Dash letter.
Takara is year letter. What year letter? Padanta year. Jyoti, there is noise inside. That's why I muted the mic. Bibrat. Takara is? It is year letter and Bibrat is a padam. So Padanta year. Okay. Padanta year followed by what letter? Anunasika letter. So what will happen now? Can you apply any other rule before you apply this rule? This rule is 8445. At the end, it is there. No other rules are applicable before this. So you can apply this rule. What rule? Bibrat, if you take it is the padam. Padanta, what letter is this? Padanta?
Year
take
letter.
Year.
That comes, okay. No. One step, one rule before that. Just
Jal letter. Also
very
we can
good.
say
Jal
as-
letter. It's a Padanta Jal letter, right? That's what we saw. Padanta Jal, no condition. If it is a Padanta Jal, replace it by Jash letter. So Takara will become Takara. Bibrat plus Na. Then you apply this rule. What is the rule? Now Dakara continues to be the year letter only now. The condition is there. Here we look upon this Takara as Jal letter and Padanta Jal letter, replace it by corresponding Jash letter. Just Sandhi we applied. Now this Dakara plus Na, the following letter is Anunasika. Therefore, we have to see this Dakara as a year letter, and here happens to be at the end of the Padam only. Therefore, this Dakara will be replaced by its Anunasika. When Anunasika follows, Dakara must be replaced by its Anunasika. What is its Anunasika letter? Tavarga Anunasika.
Nakara.
Nakara. So that is what happened. Bibran Na it will become. So Bibrat plus Na will become Bibran Na. Understand?
Yes, Sri.
Is it clear to all of you? Yes or
Yes,
no?
Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Yes,
Yeah, we are
Ji.
just writing down, Guruji. I'll be
Guruji,
busy.
once more, please.
Once more, please. Yes. Bibrat plus na. Here Bibrat is jal letter. We saw Padanta jal will be replaced by Jash letter. You see this chart. The chart already which I sent you. You will find these rules. 18th rule. Padanta jal will be replaced by Jash letter, corresponding Jash letter. That is to be applied. Why? Because it is 8 to 39. It comes first. And this Anunasika Sandhi, we call this as Anunasika Sandhi. Here, what happens? This yar letter, when followed by Anunasika letter, Padanta yar will be replaced by its Anunasika. That is 8, 4, 45. So apply first 8 to 39. That is Jashtra Sandhi. You don't have to remember the number. Just say Jashtra Sandhi to be applied first and then Anunasika Sandhi. So Jashtra Sandhi, in fact, comes before all the other rules. Whatever we have seen, those rules before that, it comes. First it comes. But in the sequence I have written at the end, but you have to understand that Jashtra Sandhi to be applied first. So Bibrat is a Padam and Takara at the end of the Padam, and that is a Jal letter. Replace it by corresponding Jash letter. The Jash letter, corresponding Jash letter is Dakara. Jabagada Jash letter. There, the Dantya letter is Dakara. That alone is the right replacement for the Sthani Takara Jal letter. So, Bibrat plus Na. Now this Dakara at the end of the Padam followed by Anunasika. And Dakara, now you have to look upon this Dakara as a Yar letter. Yar means what? All the consonants except Hakara. So Yar letter follows Nakara, Anunasika. Therefore, this Dakara will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika. What does it mean? Dakara, the Dakara belongs to Tavarga, right? Two. What are the two letters? Two means Tha, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So, Dakara to be replaced by its Anunasika means that is Nakara only. So, I have taught you this Tha, Tha, Dha, Dha, Na. They are Savarna letter, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Ji.
We have seen Savarna. What is Savarna?
Same
all
place
the
of
same.
Same place of
pronunciation.
pronunciation.
Same place of pronunciation. All these letters. So Tavarga, that's why 2 means 2 can bring its 5 letters. All these, when you say Takara to be replaced by its Anunasika, you cannot replace it by Nakara or Makara. No, Takara is Dantya letter. Savarna for Takara, Anunasika Savarna letter is Nakara only. So Nakara has to come. Similarly, wherever Takara is the Dantya letter, its Savarna Anunasika letter has to replace. Has to be
Na only,
replaced. Then
same.
Nakara will come. Similarly for other letters also. So here Dakara is there. Dakara has to be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. Therefore,
Yes.
Nakara will come. That's why you see the duplication, as though Nakara has become duplicated. So when duplication has happened, you can remember this rule. Yar letter, Padanta yar, that is Anunasika Sandhi, you can call this as. You can call this as Anunasika Sandhi. I think I've written the name somewhere, maybe in the next document. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So some more examples are there. Everything is mixed up. This exercise is only you can do after doing all these Sandhi rules. So therefore, this is a little tough. All the rules you need to know. Everything is mixed up, including Achsandhi rules. Okay. We will do more examples. Don't worry. This is only an introduction. We will take the Sandhi book of the Samskrita Bharati and do all the rules in that, all the examples in that. Now, yes, Sandhi is done. Let me teach the next one also. With that, we can stop. Next one and next one also, both are important. Anyway, that we will see. Next one is also, we see, when Jal letter, what is Jal? Just now we saw all the 4, 3, 2, 1, right? All the sibilants.
Yes.
Jal letter. When jal letter is followed by jash letter, this jash is different. What are the contents of this jash?
Jabagada.
Not
Fourth
Fourth
No, no, no.
letters.
Third letters.
Jabai
Fourth
Jabai
letter.
Gadadash, you have to say, not Jabagadash. Jabai Gadadash, Jabagadash.
Yes.
4 and
Fourth
3.
third.
Yes.
4, 3.
Fourth letter and third letter of the class follows what? Jal letter. What jal? Is it a Padanta jal? No, that condition is not given. Right? So it can be any jal. You have to remember the previous one. Previous one was Padanta jal followed, Padanta jal only, not followed by anything. We don't, that condition is not required. Padanta jal replaced by jash letter. Here, not Padanta jal, any jal, but followed by jash letter. Then also, jal letter will be replaced by jash letter. This is also Jashtra Sandhi. We call this as Jashtra Sandhi number 2. We call this as Jashtra Sandhi number 2. What is Jashtra Sandhi number 1? The first one. And this is Jashtra Sandhi number 2. Understand? You understand what I'm saying? So you have to distinguish the first Jashtram and the second Jashtram. Is it clear?
There Padantajal followed by what
Padanta jal only,
second-
nothing follows. Padanta jal replaced by jash. Here, jal letter followed by jash letter. Okay,
Okay.
then see, let me show you this naming. I have to do it. I have not done the naming here, but I will show you other document where you can see Jashtra Sandhi number 1, where Padanta jal will be replaced by corresponding jash letter. The number is 8 to 39. It is in the second section of the 8th chapter. It means it comes first. And the Jashtra Sandhi number 2, what we saw just now, that is jal letter followed by jash letter. That is 8453. You can see. That is Jashtra Sandhi number 2. So one is in the second section and this is the 4th section. Right? And Anunasika Sandhi we saw. When Padanta here is followed by Anunasika, your letter will be replaced by Anunasika. That is Anunasika Sandhi. So you can note the name. So Jashtra Sandhi number 1 will apply first. After that, other rules, whatever rules are there, Shtuta Sandhi, Shtuta Sandhi, those you apply. Then comes Anunasika Sandhi. After that, Jashtra Sandhi. This order is important. Okay. We will do more exercise. We'll understand. Just remember the rule alone. It's enough. Is it clear? You have any difficulty in understanding the rule? Let me know.
Yeah, this Jashwa Sandhi 2, can you give an example?
We will do that. It's going to come.
Oh.
It will come. Just know the rule alone. That's enough. It will going to come.
Okay, Guru.
Okay, let me do the next one also. Then jal letter. Now the jal letter will be replaced by char letter. Char letter. What is char letter? What are char letters? You have to think out.
First
Kha.
and second letters and sibilants.
There is no
And in
second
first
letter.
letter-
There is no second letter at all.
Nee,
Only
Pratama Vargaha or Sha.
Pratama Varga, second Varga, sorry. Sir.
no.
Not
All-
second
no.
one.
Only Pratama Varga.
Prathama and sibilants.
The varga itself you should not say. Not varga. First letter of all the classes. Varga means
First
class.
paragraph.
Nee, Pratama Varnaha.
Pratama varna of Sarva
All
Varga.
class.
Sarva Varganam Pratama Varnaha. First letter of all the class consonants. And Sha, Sha, Sa. See the Magya Shuddha. Ka, Pa, Cha, Ta, Ta. Chatata is there. In that Ka, Pa, Cha, Ta, Ta. Leave that. Start from
All-
Chatatau.
Yes, second letters.
Chatatau, Kapai, right? Sha, sha, sar.
Second.
First letter of all the classes
Only first. Yeah.
and three sibilants.
Three
Sha,
sibilants.
sha, sa. Now what I am saying is the jal letter will be, the jal is very important. All the way jal is coming. You have to note this. Jal letter will be replaced by char letter. When it will replace, when followed by kar. That you can, that alone you can note it now. When followed by kar letter, jal letter will be replaced by kar letter. Now you see the example what we have done. Jal letter will be replaced by kar, the char letter when followed by kar, right? So here, what is this letter? Jakara. Is the jal or not?
Letter. Jal
Jal
letter.
letter. Followed by
Kar letter.
kar
Kar
letter.
letter.
Chakara. Therefore, this jal letter will be replaced by
Char letter.
char letter. What is the char letter? Cha, ta, ta, kapa is there. Sha, sha, sa is there. What which will
Chakara.
replace?
Chakara.
It will be replaced
Chakara.
by chakara only. Therefore, tachintyam, you get the form. Now you understand. In the beginning, what you did, you applied Chutva Sandhi, you replaced takara by chakara, and you got tachintyam. That is not correct, because the rules from 8.2 onwards, you have to apply sequentially. We said, therefore, what happens here? First, Jeshta Sandhi is applied. This is the order. First, Jeshta Sandhi. Takara at the end of the padam, that is jal letter, Jeshta Sandhi. Then the dakara in contact with chavarga letter, then Shutva Sandhi is applied. Dakara becoming jakara. Then this jakara is a jal letter, followed by kar letter, chartva Sandhi is applied. Jakara replaced by chakara. Why chakara? Because that is the only suitable letter. Because jakara being a consonant, so it has to be replaced by a class consonant letter only. Sha, sha, sa, they are sibilants. That cannot come. Class consonant must be replaced by a class consonant. And the letters which can replace are the first letter, chatata, kapai. So pa cannot come because it is oshta. Ka cannot come because it is kanta. Then ta cannot come, it is murdanya, right? Then these letters, ka cannot come because it is kanta. So what is left out is only cha. Cha is talu, ja is also talu. So chakara is the right option. Chakara comes. Therefore, tachintyam. Now you get the form tachintyam. That is why I said, don't apply Shruta Sandhi in the beginning. You have to apply this in order. Unless you remember these rules in order, it's difficult to apply. You remember the rules and the later rules, you remember and you apply it, you will end up in getting a wrong form. So you have to apply the rules in order. For that, the number helps you, or the naming and application helps you. First, you apply Jeshta Sandhi, number 1. First, if it is a padam, padanta jal, apply Jeshta Sandhi, number 1. Then apply Shtutva Sandhi or Shtutva Sandhi. Then you apply Chartva Sandhi, because Chartva Sandhi comes later to Shtutva Sandhi. At the end, you will apply Chartva Sandhi. In the beginning, you will apply Jeshta Sandhi. All the rules fall between that. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
This you need some practice. You'll understand when you do practice. So
Yeah, we'll go through the recording once again so that we'll get into that more
I
clearly.
introduce only these 3 new rules. That alone is enough. Some more rules are yet to come. So this is only a preparation for that. So
Okay.
today what I taught you is this Jeshta Sandhi. This is the Jeshta Sandhi number 1. Jeshta Sandhi number 1. You can name like this. This is Jeshta Sandhi number 1. Why number 1? Because number 2 is there. So Jeshta Sandhi number 1 you apply. After that, Shutva, Shtutva, if it is applicable, you apply, keeping in mind the exceptions. Then you apply Anunasika Sandhi if it is applicable, if it is Padantayar, Anunasika Sandhi. So then by remembering the name, you can apply that order. Anunasika Sandhi you can apply. Anunasika comes only when Padantayar, that you can remember. Padantayar followed by Anunasika letter, right? Then after that, what we saw, Jashtra Vidhi number 2. This is Jashtra Vidhi number 2. Why it is Jashtra Vidhi? Because this Vidhi also, 1 minute, I'm not able to type it here. Jashtra Vidhi or Jashtra Sandhi, whatever, you can call Jashtra Sandhi itself. Jashtra Sandhi number 2. This is Jashtra Sandhi number 2 because Jashtra Sandhi number 1 is there in 8.2. This is in 8.4. Then Chartha Vidhi. Chartha Vidhi also 2 parts are there. First part I have taught you now, and followed by Kar letter. What will happen to Jal letter? Jal will be replaced by Char. So this document already you have it. The last class I sent it. You see the rules below. Only these following rules alone you see. Up to here only. Following the rules, the rules following the Rutvam, Gitvam, etc. What we saw
Yes.
after that. Don't see the rules below because you will not understand which you are going to see. Slowly we'll see in the next class. Okay. So we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. This is our 100th class completion.
Thank you.
Thank you then.
Nice.
Really, we need this kind of a strong base, Guruji. The way you go. it's
Thank you for
really
being a very
good.
patient teacher, Guruji.
Thank you for everything, Guruji.
Yeah, thank you for
so
everything.
much.
Thank you, Swamiji. I never
Thank
thought
you so much.
I learned something.
Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ananta Dhanyavadaha, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ sir.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Punar Mila Maha.
Hari Om Guruji.
Harihi Om.
Hari Om.